everybody, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. In today's video, I will continue my coverage of Tesla stock and Tesla as a company as a whole, including Elon Musk, and give you some of my thoughts, because I know a lot of people on my channel either are investors in Tesla, but more importantly, want to buy Tesla. A lot of people did not buy Tesla at the highs, including myself, and waited for the price to drop. I started nibbling at Tesla recently, and I am going to buy more, but I am trying to wait for that $100 price mark, and then I'm going to reevaluate if I think it's going to go higher or lower, because there's a lot of volatility when it comes to Tesla and a lot of unanswered questions, and I'm going to go over all of that in today's video. Before I do go any further, I just wanted to share something. The other day, my man Ahmed from Ahmed Investing, you guys know him, he's a huge Palantir bull, he puts out a tweet and said, hey, if the interest for Tesla goes down, what are the Tesla content creators going to do? He literally put out that tweet. And I answered, it gives an opportunity for a lot of content creators to start covering Tesla, because it was very hard to cover Tesla because there were already so much big YouTubers that covered Tesla. What he was getting at is a lot of these YouTubers in any stock, any crypto, cover something not because they love it, not because they hold a large amount of it. All they do it for is likes and freaking clicks. And this is what's happening to Tesla. And you can see it. As Tesla starts taking a shit, a lot of these YouTuber bulls stop covering Tesla, because all of a sudden there's less interest, there's less clicks, there's less watch time, which means there's less revenue. And these people are not making videos for you. They're making video for their pockets. Now, I don't claim to be the smartest mother effer in the room, but I do things out of love. And if I cover something, it's because I'm genuinely interested in covering it and would probably cover it whether I had a channel or not. So please be careful with all these YouTubers that talk to you. And remember, most YouTubers never made money in real life before they actually made money on YouTube. And they use YouTube money to buy stocks, to buy crypto, to buy real estate. And all of a sudden, they're these freaking crazy ass gurus. So please be careful. With that said, let's talk a little bit about Tesla, cover the price of Tesla, cover the macro of Tesla, the micro of Tesla, and of course, cover what the heck is going on with Elon Musk. The price of Tesla is currently trading at $124 a share. I made a video the other day saying that Tesla can go sub $100, and it seems that's where it's going to go. It's very hard to get momentum the opposite way. So let's say there's momentum going up, it's very hard to turn things around to go down. But if things are going down in a bear market, super difficult to turn it around to make it go back up. So Elon Musk was the darling of Wall Street. Elon Musk could have done no wrong. Well, that changed, and now Elon Musk cannot do any good. This is the price chart for the last year of Tesla. As you can see, it's 65% down for the year. But this is the last 6 months. It's down 47%, and over the last month alone, 32%. Over the last 5 days, absolutely shellacked 17%. So the question is, why is Tesla shares down? There's a few reasons. Number one, Elon Musk sold billions and billions, I believe 28 billion, 24 billion off the top of my head. I made a video the other day of Tesla stock. So the thing is, if you're selling Tesla stock, do you have no commitment? Do you have no balls? Do you have no love of Tesla anymore because you're selling it? And why are you selling it? And the reason he's selling it, at least a large portion of it, is for Twitter. So he's the CEO of Tesla. He's the CEO of Twitter, CEO of SpaceX, CEO of Boring Company, CEO of Neuralink. And Elon Musk is probably one of the most capable, if not the most capable CEOs of our lifetime. Also, he's literally Dr. Doom in a good way, right? From the Fantastic Four. If anybody can do it, it's him. But even for him, this is a very tall order. These are multi-billion-dollar companies, all of them across the board. And because of that, the price of Tesla is going down. But more so because of that, he has very bright views, and he publishes them on Twitter. Because he publishes them on Twitter, a lot of people have this cancel culture still till this day, including with Elon Musk. Now, a lot of people are going to say, hey, Adam, we don't like you talking about politics. And I'm not talking specifically about politics. I honestly try not to. But politics are intertwined with finance. 100%. Finance is part of politics, and politics is part of finance. You can't have one without the other. This is a fact. All these years, Elon Musk was a supporter of Democratic Party. Over the last year or two, you could see he switched from Democratic to Republican Party. I'm not saying one is right or wrong, but he did switch. And on Twitter, you could see his vibe. You could see how he's more so towards something. And he got shitted on by Biden, right? Anytime they bring up EVs, they never talk about Elon Musk. They never talk about Tesla. And they have 60% of the EV market in the United States. Some crazy number, right? Like a stronghold. Don't quote me on the exact number. How do you talk about EVs without talking about Elon Musk, without talking about Tesla? And Biden is commending like Ford, for example, but where's Elon? Where's EV? Where is Tesla? And Elon Musk got pissed off. Elon Musk even made some tweets like, yo, I'm going to donate to the Republican Party and see what's going to happen. If the Democratic Party loses the next election, this is good for Elon. This is good for Tesla. If they lose, this is bad for Elon and this is bad for Tesla. If you have current shares of Tesla, this is good or bad for you. You want price to go up. But if you don't have Tesla and you're on the sidelines, you actually want the price of Tesla to go down if you believe in the total vision of Tesla. I personally think once Elon Musk is going to step down from Twitter, he is going to concentrate more on Tesla. And when he's going to concentrate more on Tesla, the price of Tesla is going to go up. Guys, before we go any further, I wanted to ask you a question. Pretty please. It's Hanukkah, and I'm going to ask you for a nice Hanukkah present. I need you to destroy, dismantle, discombobulate, and absolutely destruct that like button. I need you to hit that like you glitching. I need you to hit the like so hard that two things happen. YouTube is going to call me and be like, yo, Adam, your subscribers broke the like button and everybody's complaining because no other creators have a like button anymore. And I want Graham Stephan to cry me a river. He loves the like button. And if we destroy that like button, he won't be able to use the like button. He's going to call me and be like, yo, Adam, come on, man, stop it. You're not giving the opportunity for my subs to hit the like button because your subs hit it so freaking hard, you broke the system. Now, Elon did put out a statement about selling Tesla shares. Musk says he won't sell more Tesla shares, but vows to keep tweeting, I'm not going to suppress my views just to boost the stock price. And this is a breakdown of all of the Tesla shares that he sold. I made a mistake. It wasn't 20-something billion. He sold 39 billion worth of Tesla stock since their peak in November 2021, 6.9 billion worth in August, 4 billion worth in November, and then 3.5 billion in December. He literally made a tweet that no more further Tesla sales planned after today. And I believe that he quoted 12 months to 18 months. So he's saying that basically in the next year and a half, he's not going to sell any more Tesla stocks. But besides for that, the backlog of Tesla is going down. Again, I made a video the other day. You guys can check it out. This is going to be the link up here. The backlog of Tesla last month was only 190,000. And last month it was 285,000. And the month before that, it was 299, over 300. It literally went to 400 something thousand. Now it's going down. So this is literally the Tesla demand. It went down. So if Tesla demand is going down, the question is why? Now this is the backlog. So it could mean that they have enough and they don't need a backlog. And they have like enough orders with enough production to fulfill it. But usually the backlog decrease is a bad thing because it usually means that the demand is also decreasing. Now, Elon Musk did give a nice credit for the United States market, and he just added a credit for the Canadian market and the Mexican market. He's lowering prices in order to increase demand. Check it out. This is an article. On December 22nd, Tesla shares tanked on Thursday after the luxury electric car maker started offering $7,500 discounts on Model Y vehicles delivered in the United States this month. On December 1st, they said that they were going to give a $3,750 credit. So December, $3,750. All of a sudden, 3 weeks later, $7,500. Biden's tax plan in 2023 is also going to give you a $7,500 credit. So the question is, were people waiting until 2023 to buy Teslas, and that's why they weren't ordering it, and now Elon is trying to increase the demand? I don't know. You don't know what's happening right here, right? And is that going to be enough to increase the demand? So it seems right now that Elon is not concerned about profits. Elon is concerned about quantity. He wants to increase the amount of demand. And if that happens, then the earnings that's about to come out, or the earnings after this quarter, is going to be bad because the profit margins are going to go down. So now, how are you going to label Tesla? Is it a growth company or is it a stable company, right? Is there still growth there? And if the growth is no longer there, the story of Tesla, well, then what's the value of a share of Tesla? Is it even $100? Can it go sub $100? I mean, let me know what we're doing here, team. Let me know down below in the comments, what are you guys doing? Me, I'm taking a break. I bought at like the 130s. I sold at like 200s. I didn't have a lot of Tesla. I only had like, I don't know, $20,000, $30,000 position. I sold half of it right away. I kept half of it. I still have some shares, but I started buying at like the 130s. I bought a little bit, not a lot. And now I'm waiting until now I'm waiting until $100 a share. And then I'll figure out if I want to buy or not. I'm curious what you guys are doing. Again, there's an echo chamber. When things are good, everyone's like, yes, yes, this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. But when things are bad, everybody's in a bad mood. Look at Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin was the biggest supporter of Elon Musk. Meet Kevin lost over $10 million in Tesla shares. Shout out to Echoes from Above. If you guys don't watch his channel, he exposes different YouTubers. I don't agree with everything he says. His content is valid. I do like watching his content, and he comes out with a lot of good stuff. In this case, he tracked down how much money Meet Kevin is losing. And all of a sudden, from he's the greatest thing since sliced bread, Elon Musk sucks. He's calling him a moron. Like, dude, really? Elon Musk all of a sudden is a moron? It is what it is. It's not my money. You're losing tons of money. This is an interesting story. After he offered the credit in North America, he also started, or the United States, I'm sorry, he started offering it in Canada and Mexico. Again, amid rising demand concerns. He's now offering $5,000 Canadian. Who the heck knows the conversion rate? And 74,750 Mexican pesos. Again, who the heck knows the conversion rate? I don't even know what the hell a Celsius is. All I know about is Fahrenheit. Actually, Celsius is the company that screwed Tiffany Fong. So now Elon Musk did put out a tweet. He says, hey, can I find somebody stupid enough to become CEO of Twitter? And it's funny, Mr. Beast responded, and Mr. Beast said, hey, can I be the CEO of Twitter? And Elon Musk says, possible, or something like this. And Mr. Beast says, the first thing I'm going to do is figure out how to make people do videos and content on Twitter instead of just posting links to other social media outlets. This is a fact. All content creators on TikTok, on Insta, on YouTube, they post links on Twitter for you guys to get off of Twitter. It should be the other way around. And Elon Musk went so far to put out a tweet that, hey, if you post other links to some other social media platforms, you guys are going to be suspended and banned. He then took that away. He changed course. But listen, it's real. People don't stay on Twitter, and Twitter needs to monetize. The only way to monetize is to keep people on Twitter, watching Twitter, so that people actually pay for advertisement and put money into Twitter. Pay for ads. How do you do that? You need people there. How do you get people to post content on Twitter? Do short form, for example, and make a fund. There's no incentive for you to post on Twitter because you don't get paid as a creator. But if you add videos and add ads that companies are paying for advertisement, then all of a sudden you can share those funds with the creators. It's a very, very good notion. Now, these are only my viewpoints, but there's others that are thinking the same exact way. There's a lot of analysts that are actually downgrading Tesla. Now, Chicken Genius, who, shout out to him, he did a fantastic job. Chicken Genius figured out that this market was tanking. He sold at an all-time high. I think he 20x'd his initial investment. He sold at like nearly the all-time high, and he brought it all the way down. He said Tesla price is going to go to 140. Everybody laughed at him, including me, Kevin. He ended up rebuying at like 150s, and he started buying at 140s again. And he says, no matter what, I sold at the top, and now I sold at the bottom. He ended up losing 7% on his money. He says, I'm selling out of that position, and now I'm going to wait until Tesla drops again, because if there's going to be bad earnings, as I mentioned earlier, the price of Tesla is definitely going to tank. Remember, Tesla is the darling with the amazing story of crazy accelerated growth. Crazy want. And if the demand is down in Tesla and their numbers are going to go down, Tesla's price is going to be amplified by many X's going down. You understand? Like, if Tesla does good and they beat expectations, it's amplified. But if Tesla does bad and they don't meet expectations, that is also amplified. With that said, let me give you my raw thoughts for 2023 and then 2024. I think Tesla is doing really big things. I do think Elon Musk is going to get out of this. I do think that Tesla is going to come out of this on top. I don't think 2023 is going to be the best year for Tesla because I think in the macro economy, we are still effed up. I think 2023 is going to be a very bad year for earnings. I think 2023 is when shit is going to hit the fan because we have all-time record debt and we have all-time lows for savings. And we're just one medical bill away, one catastrophic thing that we didn't expect away, one repair of our car away, until those people are not going to be able to take out any more credit, and that's when shit hits the fan. So Tesla and the economy is going to suffer. However, Tesla has the semis coming up, Tesla has the robots coming up, Tesla has full self-driving coming up, and Tesla has Elon Musk stepping down as CEO of Twitter. When that happens, time is super forgiving. Time is very forgiving. People forget tweets. People forget opinions. People forget what you do. Just give it time. People will forget about that. Once you have full self-driving, where you don't have to drive yourself, robo-taxis, so on and so forth, and possibly a political party, a new political party in 2024, well, 2024 is going to look very bright. Now, it's very important to understand, when I say something is going to be in this and this, it's my own personal opinion, not financial advice, purely entertainment and educational purposes. But it also doesn't mean that you can't make money. Just because 23 is going to be a bad year does not mean that Tesla cannot be higher than what it's trading now. I just don't think it's going to be a massive bull run. I don't think anything is going to be on a massive bull run, except maybe for Palantir. And I made my cases for Palantir many times over. But this is not a Palantir video. So, in short, Tesla has an uphill battle to fight. However, you could give up ground and take it back. And the way to do that is to get rid of Twitter, concentrate on Tesla. Unless Elon figures out a way to intertwine Twitter with Tesla. But now Elon Musk has a huge target on his back and everybody hates him. Everybody in power hates him. People that are very vocal hate him just to hate. So we're going to see if he can get out of this. I do think he is. I think 24 is going to be a really good year for stocks in general. And 23 sucks for everybody, but it's going to be a really good buying opportunity. Not financial advice, I would wait. I would not buy right now. I nibbled a little bit and I'm waiting, I'm retreating. And there's a lot of things that's coming out for Tesla, a lot of news that's coming out for Tesla basically every single day. So thank you so much. Have a great day. And if you guys want some more content, please just click on this video right here. You guys will really enjoy it. And I really want you guys to have a great weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.